Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your messenger connecting problem. So basically what this problem is like whenever you try to message somebody, it says connecting and your message won't be sent, or like you can't video call them or you can't voice call them or do anything. So this problem arises because of your connection problem. So the first thing is, if your Wi-Fi connection is slow or unstable, then this problem might arise. So make sure your Wi-Fi is stable and at the minimum speed which is required to use Messenger. So make sure. And the other thing is, if your Messenger is not up to date, so for this, go to your Play Store and check if your Messenger is up to date, because if your Messenger is not up to date, then this problem might occur. So updating your Messenger, might fix the bug which is causing this problem. So right now my Messenger is up to date. As you guys can see, there's an open button. If there's an update button instead of open, then make sure to update your Messenger. And after updating your Messenger, if you still have this problem, then the other thing you can do is go to app info of Messenger. So for this, go out of your Messenger and click on the Messenger icon, hold for some time until you see this thing popping off. Now you can click on app info. Once you click on app info, it's going to take you over here. Now over here, go on permission and make sure all your permission is turned on. And after turning on all your permission, if it is still not fixed, then the other thing you can do is go to your setting, your phone setting, and on your phone setting, go to network and cellular connection. And over here, choose the SIM which you are using right now for your data connection if you have a dual SIM. But if you have a single SIM, then you don't have to. Just go to the SIM which you have. So this is the SIM which I'm using for my data connection. And I go on preferred network type. And once you're over here, click on 2G only. And then again go over here and then click on 4G, 3G and 2G. So what this is going to do is this is going to reset your network, and basically it's going to fix the problem which is causing this. And if it still doesn't fixes it, then the last option you can do is go to your app info, and once you're in your app info, you can click on storage usage, and on the storage usage click on clear data and click on clear. What this is going to do is it's going to clear all the cache stored on your Messenger and make your Messenger new, and it should fix it. So that's basically it. So if you guys fixed your problem, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.